Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it is important to know that I'm here to help you prepare for your IELTS speaking exam with tips, strategies, and sample answers. In today's video, we're going to dive into an important cue card topic that many of you might get in the exam. I'll be sharing a well-structured response that you can use as a guide to prepare your own answer. So, if you're aiming to score high in the speaking section, make sure to watch till the end and don't forget to take notes. Please subscribe our channel for latest cue cards. Describe a movie you watched recently. You should say when and where you watched it, who you watched it with, what it was about, and explain why you watched this movie. Last weekend, I planned to see a movie at home called The Pursuit of Happiness. I chose to watch it on my laptop in the comfort of my living room as I had some free time. Although I had heard nothing but good things about this movie, I had never had the opportunity to see it. My younger brother wanted to see the film again with me even though he had already seen it. It was a terrific chance for us to watch something together because we both like uplifting movies. Based on a true tale, Will Smith portrays Chris Gardner, a father who battles homelessness while attempting to raise his young kid and pursue a job as a stockbroker. The movie shows Gardner's struggles, including losing his house and finding it difficult to support his child, as well as his will to succeed in spite of obstacles. He never gives up hope in the face of these insurmountable obstacles, and finally he finds employment at a prominent brokerage firm, which completely changes his life. I was in the mood for something inspirational and energizing, so I chose to watch this film. I was sent to it by a close friend who said it was a poignant tale that also served as a reminder of the value of tenacity. Additionally, since I believe actual stories to be especially inspirational, I wanted to see a film that had a real-life connection. All things considered, I really loved the film since it was emotionally compelling and conveyed a strong message about perseverance and never giving up, no matter how difficult life becomes. It also caused me to consider my own difficulties and the significance of continuing to work toward one's objectives. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and resources on mastering English. Leave a comment below with any questions or topics you'd like me to cover next. Good luck with your IELTS preparation, and see you in the next video.